Number 15 says, use vertices to describe a circuit that begins and ends at vertex F. Now remember that a circuit is a path that begins and ends at the same vertex, and we can't use an edge more than once. So if we go F to I to H to G and then back to F, this would be a circuit. Number 16 says, use vertices to describe a circuit that begins and ends at vertex D. And it's actually impossible to make a circuit that begins and ends at D, because as soon as you leave D, you eliminate your way back to D. So it's not possible.